Well, y'all, after 4 long years of having the same battery on this boy here, now it is dead, y'all. Cold dead, man. The battery dead. Oh no. So I just called him price one. I gotta go get one. I can't even jump it with that jumper there. And then I got my box on here. Still won't jump it, baby. It's gone, baby. Oh no. Well, let me go get a new battery, y'all. Cause it's pretty, y'all. Look at that sunshine. It's time to ride, man. What? It calm dead. But I can't jump on hook though. Let's go, baby. Hey man, y'all make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe to the channel, okay? Hey, more content to come. Let me show y'all something real quick. Oh man, that's coming up. Why is doing that? That's the new light for the back of hook right here. And these are the speaker grill covers right here. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me hurry up. Let me hurry up and show you. I should have had them out already. Speaker grill cover that's going on the bike right there. Yes, sir. And I have the, that little spoiler I told you about. So, y'all, I'm out of here. Peace, man. I got to get a battery, man. Oh, man, I'm sick. Peace.